Imagine that you wrote a practice essay and gave it to your teacher. Your teacher reviewed it and wrote some feedback comments on the paper. Which comment would you prefer to get? Number 1, although you have some great points, your grammar is not very accurate. Number 2, although your grammar is not very accurate, you have some great points. I think most people would prefer to get number 2. But why? The answer is connected to whether the clause is independent or dependent.
An independent clause is a complete idea. It can stand alone as a sentence. A dependent clause, on the other hand, is not a complete idea. This means that an incomplete idea expressed in a dependent clause is less important than a complete idea expressed in an independent clause. You could think of it as a set of old-fashioned kitchen scales. In comment 2, the heavier, more important idea expresses the positive feedback. This is why comment 2 is preferable. Now imagine that your teacher made the following comment. When we use extension to join the clauses, the weight of each idea is the same. However, comment 4 does seem slightly better than comment 3 because the positive feedback is given last. In other words, the focus of the message is positive. When you are writing an IELTS task, you should try to include some complex sentences to impress the examiner and give evidence of grammatical range. I hope you can see that combining clauses into complex sentences allows you to fine-tune your ideas. It also lets you fix comma splices and run-on sentences, which are common mistakes in IELTS writing.